hearty welcome to all of you. I hope you all are well. So are you studying sincerely? I had previous classes with you with Viet, and now today I am going to teach some of the writing classes because I know all of you have become very well in writing, handwriting. Still, some of the words I am going to teach you now today. Okay, just have a look at this words. They are cap, hat, bag and fan. Okay, so how do we write the cursive writing words? C-A-P, cap. Just have a look. C-A-P, cap. Okay, in this way we write the second and the third letter in the second and the third line. Okay, we write the words in the second and the third line. So how are we writing the cap? Cap, C-A-P, cap. Like this, we just cover up and do. Again, we are doing this C-A and P. Okay. Did you follow everyone? We are just moving forward. So the cursive writing words are written like this. I hope everybody knows. Still some of the classes I am taking so that you become very smooth in cursive. Okay. Next comes hut. H-U-T. Hut. Did you follow? So this is like this. H-U-T. Hut. How do we write again? H means U and T. Okay. In this way we are writing the cursive writing words. Okay. Then comes bag. Just have a look at these words. Bag. How do we write? B. We do it in the first, second and the third line. B, A and G. Bag. We move on and go to the third line. Okay. Again we are doing, how do we write? B-A-G, bag. We are just moving from the third line, going upwards and then going on, and again B-A, after that G. Okay. Did you follow? So in this way we are writing the cursive writing words. Then comes fan. So what have we written over here? C-A-P, cap, C-A-P, cap, C-A-P, cap. All these are cursive writing words. Please practice them in your home because after this you will write everything in cursive writing. Okay. Then comes hut. H-U-T, hut, H-U-T, hut and H-U-T, hut. In this way you have to do the cursive writing letters. Okay. Then comes bag. B-H-E, bag, B-H-E, bag and B-H-E, bag. Where are we moving on? From the first line, second line, third line. And again we are moving from the second and the third line. Okay. Then this is fan. F-A in fan. How do we write? We move on from the third line. From the third line we go upwards and again we move like this and up and down. Okay, followed? So in this way we are writing fan. How do we write? We are moving on from the upper level. We are going till first line and coming down and doing fan. Okay, again see how we are doing the fan. F-A in fan. If we are moving from here, second and the third line, A, then N. In this way we are writing the cursive writing words and letters. Now you have become grown up, so you have to write in this pattern. Okay. Next, just see some of the things you have to do in your this cursive writing classes. How do you move? Let me explain with the help of the book. Suppose this is a pumpkin. How do we do? Pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. First, second, third and fourth line. How do we move? We move from the first line. We go upwards like this. P. Then again we move U, M, P. Again we are moving till P. Just see from the first line, second line, third line again. And K, I, N. Remember in cursive writing words, you have to move in the cursive pattern. Okay. So pumpkin we are writing P-U-M-P-K-I-N. All these are within the first, second and the third line. Only the small P is coming till the fourth line. Okay. Now beehive. How do we write? B-double-E. Just have a look. double-E-H-I-V-E. Beehive. Okay. We are writing like this. B-double-E-H-I-V-E. Then comes cows, calf. See, this is a beehive is what? a house of bees. Pumpkin is a vegetable. Okay. And now comes cow and the calf. How do we write? C. Moving from the third, second and first line. O. W. S. Cows. Then calf. C-A-L-F. Okay, like this. Only F we are moving till the fourth line. Then comes yellow. Yellow is also moving till the fourth line. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Okay, all are in the first, second and the third line. Only yellow, W is in the last line. Then comes postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. This also you have to write in cursive. Okay. P, you just move on like this. Go. You do a curve. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. In this pattern, you try to finish up the books because this is not important for your final exam. But still, because you have the books, I'll explain to you. Some of the writings whenever you get time or in the Sundays you do, because cursive writing is very important for you. It increases your handwriting pattern, the beauty of the words. Okay, so be very alert and get ready for your final exam. In the meantime, you do all these things. God bless you and bye-bye.